Aluminum sublimation photo panels have been used to display art and photos in museums for years. But did you know that you don't have to be a museum or an art gallery to get the exact same high-quality products? Aluminum sublimation photo panels are the perfect way to display your pictures with beautiful vibrancy and high resolution. These premium quality photo panels are available in common photography print sizes like 5x7 inches, 8x10 inches, and more. They're also available in different finishes like matte and glossy white and glossy clear. The best part is that sublimating these photo panels is very simple. First, peel the protective film from the photo panel, then position and tape your sublimation print onto it. With the paper side facing down, place the panel and transfer on the lower platen of your heat press in between two sheets of parchment paper. We recommend pressing your aluminum photo panels at 385 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 to 90 seconds, depending on the artwork and substrate size. When the timer hits 0, move the photo panel to a cooler spot for just a few moments. Now this is going to be very hot, so please wear protective gloves as needed. After a few moments, peel away the transfer to see your amazing results. Sublimation photo panels are a great way to keep and display your pictures and memories in gallery quality fashion. They're perfect for presenting your photography or art and make great gifts for friends and family. These aluminum photo panels and more are available at heatpressnation.com.